Hey guys, today I'll be talking about the higher education in Dubai. Till now, I've seen people inclined towards USA, UK, and Europe for their higher education. But nowadays, recently, I have seen that Dubai has become one of the favorite destinations for the international students. And when I was exploring more about it, I realized that there are actually reasons why people are getting inclined towards Dubai, why Dubai is becoming one of the favorite destinations for the international education. So talking in length, number one, Dubai follows various education curriculums such as there are universities from America, there are universities from UK, there are universities from Australia, and even there are universities from India. Not only that, there are universities from its own country as well. So there are different types of curriculum that the country is following with different universities. Moreover, since the currency of Dubai is quite affordable, if I talk about India, then I would say that the tuition fees and cost of living, it generally gets reduced as compared to the other countries which are USA and UK and Europe as well. Moreover, there is a concept in Dubai wherein a lot of universities offer the master education in evening. Students have the classes in evening, that is somewhere between 5 to 8, and students can get to work full-time over there. Rather, if a student gets job in any company on the full-time basis, that company actually sends the letter to the university stating that they would prefer that student to be on a work visa rather than a student visa. And their studies actually, they carries on without any interruption. So this is one of the great opportunity where an international student can work full-time along with their university education. Now talking about the level of the education, as I said that there are the universities from different countries and UK has few of the best universities. To name few, one is University of Birmingham, University of Hull, University of Murdoch, Middlesex, Wollongong and many others. So there is no question of compromising on the quality of education. Moving further, a lot of parents, they have the dilemma of the safety of their wards, and especially if a student is going for their undergrad studies. So it is an undeniable fact that Dubai is one of the safest country on this planet. So safety should not be any concern for the parents if they are sending their children to Dubai. Moreover, whatever you earn, it is tax free. So whatever you earn, it is your own. You don't have to pay any tax on that. Along with that, the living cost in Dubai is very much affordable and you can manage it very well while doing your part-time. One important point, visa for the family. Like suppose if a student is over there and parents wants to see their board. So if it is UK, USA or Europe, the visa policies for the parents and relatives are also very strict and very firm. So at times it takes 21 days to 2 months, 3 months for the parents to get the visa of UK, Europe or USA. But talking about Dubai, any parent can actually land up to Dubai to see their ward just in 3 days time. Visa policies of Dubai are quite simple, quite easy for Indians, and I ensure you that if you want to see your children, if you want to check their well-being, I'll send you as parents to Dubai just within 3 days. Moreover, talking about the connectivity, most of the main cities of India have direct flight to Sharjah and it takes half an hour from Sharjah to reach Dubai. And maximum the flight time is 2.5 hours to 3 hours. So we don't have to actually worry about the commuting time as well. And flight tickets are quite affordable. I mean, hardly I would say that they are equivalent to the flight tickets to Mumbai or Delhi if I talk about a flight ticket from Indore to Sharjah. So looking into these immense benefits, I think that Dubai should be considered as the destination for the higher education for the children, may it be at undergrad level or master's level. And there are a lot of potential, there are a lot of opportunities. Children get to do networking part. There are a lot of financial institutions where children can do their internships, where children can work full time. So I would suggest all the learners, all the students to look into Dubai as their destination for the higher education, and in case of any confusions, doubts or questions, SAJO is always available for you. So, what are you waiting for? Just visit SAJO and connect on the given numbers for further information.